Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi BlackShark 5, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on this device. So, firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean your connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So, firstly, take the brush in your hand, but if you take the cover, you need to firstly take the cover off, of course. So take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and gently try to pry the dirt out. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.